Today I have Olay Regenerist Retinol 24 Max. Now this has twice the amount of vitamin B that the regular has. It's a night hydrating moisturizer and it's fragrance free. Now this is a night cream, or like they say, a night hydrating moisturizer. Now the directions with this: use at night, smooth evenly over a cleansed face and neck, and use with SPF during the daytime. Why would you use night hydrating moisturizer in the daytime? I'm not sure, but it says use SPF in the daytime, so I'm guessing that in the daytime you wash this off and then put SPF on. I'm not sure. All right, but right here it says all clean ingredients, no mineral oil, no phthalates, no synthetic dyes, recyclable carton, dermatologist tested. Now on the back it says Retinol 24 Max 2 times vitamin B, max concentration, oil of Olay, not oil of Olay, I guess there's no oil in it. Olay Retinol 24 formula with vitamin B plus, B3 plus, visibly smooths wrinkles and even tones. I wonder if I could use this while I'm ironing. I'm not quite sure. Now it says, now with Retinol's 24 maximum concentration hydrators. All right, almost makes me feel like I should be drinking this and not applying it to the face. All right, so let's go ahead and open the top of it. Comes in a fancy container. Toss this in the trash. And right here it says Olay Regenerist. Comes in a bottle. Retinol 24 Max. Hydrating moisturizer that's face fragrance free, like we talked about earlier. Directions: use at night. Massage cream evenly over face and neck. Use with SPF in the daytime. So it's saying massage the cream evenly over face and neck, and it says use at night, but it also says at the end, use SPF, use with SPF in the daytime. So it's telling me I could use it at night and daytime. Kind of confusing right there. Must not be American English, because that's the best English. I'm going to go ahead and open this up. And inside, there is some more fanciness going on. There's a, whoa, looks like something fancy. So here is what it looks like. It is fragrance free, but it does smell like something. But I guess what they mean is there is no fragrance that they add into it. I don't know if they're trying to deceive me. So I'm going to take a little bit of this, and I'm going to apply this, and I'm going to share with you how it feels against my skin. It has a rich moisturization that goes on. Right now it looks kind of shiny, but I'm wondering if I rub it in a little bit more, it starts to absorb, and you can see the vitamin B vitamins. I'm just joking. You can't see the B vitamins. Why would you be able to see the B vitamins? I'm not quite sure. So I'm going to go ahead and rub this in and let you take a look at it. And so far it feels not greasy at all. It seems to absorb pretty well. It gives my skin a nice night look. I don't even know what that means. I just said that. If you thought it was something, I don't know why. But anyway, it goes on smooth. It's not oily whatsoever. It feels good. I'm going to give this a shot right here. It's Olay Regenerist Retinol 24 Max. I hope this video was helpful. Thanks a lot for watching.